Tagpila ini? How much is this? Tagpila ini? Fixed price na gid ini, or you can also say last price na gid ini. So it means, are your prices fixed? So fixed price na gid ini or last price na gid ini? Nagabaton bala ka mo sang cheque? Do you accept checks? Baton means receive, and then cheque is a check. So nagabaton bala ka mo sang cheque? Pwede makapili? Can I choose? Or is it possible to choose? Pwede makapili? Pwede nga matanaw? May I see that? Pwede nga matanaw. Matanaw means to like see or to check. And then pwede is like, is it possible or is it okay? Pwede nga matanaw. Pwede masuok or matistingan. You can also, when we say suok, that means to put on. Matistingan is like to testing or to try. Can I try this on? So pwede matistingan or pwede masuok. Or you can also say pwede matilawan, like if you want to try, like you want to buy a mango, you wanted to check if it's really sweet or not. So you can say pwede matilawan, pwede masuok, pwede matistingan, or pwede matilawan. Gutok-gutok jutay, or it's a little bit tight. Or you can also say gutok sang jutay or gutok jutay. Something like that. So gutok means a little tight. Jutay. Gutok means tight, and then jutay is a little. So it's a little tight. Gutok jutay. Mahalog, medyo halog, or halog jutay. So when we say halog, that means it's a little big. So mahalog, medyo halog, and then halog jutay. So all of them means it's a little big. So you can just choose from the three. Mahalog, medyo halog, or halog jutay. Husto ni sa akon or husto ini sa akon. So it fits with me, it's good with me, the fitting is right. Husto ini sa akon or insakto gid ini. You can also say insakto gid ini. This is perfect, this is exact. Pila ka yarda ang kuhaon mo? How many yards will you get? Kuha means to get. Pila is like how much. Yarda is yard. So pila ka yarda ang kuhaon mo? Palihog putos or palihog putsa. So putos or putsa means to wrap. Palihog is like please. So please wrap it. Palihog putos or palihog putsa.